Hello guys, I'm here with Michael on the Textadia in Orlando, and I'm very pleased to show you the new products that we have to show thanks to Let's Get Physical Company. And here we are going to start with Raven. It's the UDP X110. It's a mid-range Blu-ray player that can play almost anything, SACD, DVD audio, Blu-ray, 4K, you name it. We've got an IP driver for that as well, for all the major third-party controllers. So it's a really cool and easy player for you guys to have in your home theater or your living room. And then we have got the big brother, the new brand that we are distributing. It's called Magnetar, and we have two models for now, the UDP 800 and the UDP 900. So I will start with the first one, the 900, which is truly a beast. It's got a dual power supply, one for the analog, one for the digital part of the players. It's got the same drive as the Oppo. We've got also two DACs, one stereo and also one 7.1. We've got XLR output, and everything is separated, for your hi-fi guys. It's nice. It's one of the best CD player I've got in my life, and you are going to be able to play about anything on this player. We've got this little brother, the UDP 800, which can do almost everything as the big brother, the 900. Only, it has a two-channel DAC. Okay, XLR output also, 4K, SSD, DVD audio, it can play it all. It's very silent, it's very important, and it can be controlled via third-party controllers with the same driver as the Oppo, which is cool to know. And last but not least, Michael, I have a surprise for you. I'm bringing, the new brand that we're going to distribute in the US. It is called Arvolution, and it's a new media player that will remind you a lot like another brand that I used to work with, and I'm very proud to show it here for you as a preview today. So here's the first look at the new interface that will also be compatible with the former Zappiti players, the Dune and the Zidu players in the next future. So as you can see, we've got all the cover arts and the background that are all over the screen. You don't have to enter the movie to get the fully animated background. And when you go to the movies, it's all under the same interface, and you've got all the cover arts. And as you can see, compared to the Zappiti, it can be really fast. We just rolled up, 180 movies in less than a second. So it's very more effective than what we used to have before, and it can even do a more precise metadata extraction. As you can see for Drive, we can see it's an iPhone 1.6 soundtracks. If you got several languages, it will analyze all of them and will tell you what are the real metadata for this movie. We still have the animated background, we still have the soundtracks. So basically, you will not be, I think, disappointed with this new app that will be released very soon in November. So I hope you enjoy it, and you'll be able to play with it soon. I'm so glad that you came by in our booth, Michael. It's always a pleasure, and looking forward to working with you again.